millennials, Sunglasses Crew, welcome back.
Sunglasses Crew is back. It's back, baby. It's
Ready.
back.
Alright, Gen Z, Kyle and Sophie, welcome to another challenge.
Thank you, thank you.
Changing things up a bit. This time you'll be guessing the movie challenge.
Guess the movie challenge. Okay.
Movie titles will start with the, and you have to guess the movie or series.
Oh, so it's the dash dash.
That's kind of
Okay.
difficult.
Okay.
You get 3 hints. Each time you can ask either the genre, the release year of the movie or the series, or whether it's a movie or a series.
Okay.
3 tries, there's 3 guesses for each one.
Oh.
By each round, you mean like 10 rounds because there are 10? That's quite generous. Yeah, ठीक है, okay.
Here,
Got it.
you ready?
Got it. Yeah, ready to go.
Alright.
Yeah, so why do you have to look at me like that? Because you don't know anything. Think.
The.
I don't have to take my sunglasses off for this, but this sounds very interesting. I mean, seems very interesting. But I don't know why I feel like it's something actiony.
The Sinners.
No, you can't just talk to me.
Okay, fine. I think
Before
it's The
deciding.
Sinners.
Discuss amongst yourselves.
And what did you say? What can we ask?
You can ask the release year,
Yeah.
genre, or if it's a movie or a TV.
Genre.
I feel like it's a movie.
I think it's a movie also, and I think it's some action movie.
Yeah, because you see the lights coming in.
Inception didn't have the before it, right? It was just Inception.
Genre works. Yeah.
Genre?
Yeah.
I think it's
So there are
horror.
2 genres,
Horror
Okay.
mystery.
but I'll give 1.
Okay.
No, that's not fair. Give 2.
Is it the X-Men?
And you not see there's a white line there that look like an X at the end.
Very
Discuss with your partner.
good. Well done, Sophie.
Okay, what's the hint? What do we want?
I think.
TV. But
Yeah.
you're saying it looks like a movie. Even I think it looks like a movie.
Okay, let's go with the
Genre?
yeah.
Hit us with the genre.
Oh.
Superhero. The Superman.
The Iron Man.
How many tries do we get per? Okay, we have one more try. Now it doesn't look like Iron Man because it's not giving Iron Man.
I don't know superheroes. Tell me all of them and I'll tell you which one it is.
Superman का the तो नहीं था. The dark. Oh, I think it's the Dark Knight. I think yeah.
Superman, Iron Man, Batman.
So like,
The Batman. Is it the Batman?
It looks like Batman.
I think
Do
it
you
could
want-
be Batman.
You want to lock our
Do it.
last?
Yeah.
Batman.
But
would you like to
No,
tell the
that's
audience
cheating.
what it is?
The Dark Knight. That's
Batman. Exactly.
Gen Z. Who?
Next round.
Did they get this one?
Yeah, probably.
They didn't get it. Oh, so this
Oh,
was one
the
of those.
social.
The social network.
I don't know. I'm out.
I know.
Say
Wait,
it.
I know. Is it
Tell, I'll help you.
Social Network? The Social Network.
Ding, ding, ding.
Wow.
Come on.
I haven't watched
I got the
that.
blue at the back. It's Facebook. By the way, you should watch it. It's an amazing movie.
Alright.
Yeah, even though I want to lose for Sophie, but chalo, let's win.
No.
yeah,
I think let's see how it goes.
Yeah, ठीक है,
Let's see how it goes. We still have 8 more to go.
Yeah, that's true. I don't need to.
Next.
Yeah.
The
we got
Godfather.
The Godfather. Yeah.
We might just let Sophie
Yeah.
win
Fair,
at this
fair,
point
fair.
in
Don't
time.
need to be overconfident.
The Godfather.
The Godfather, please. Ha, the Godfather, the Godmother, the Godchildren, Millennials, names. Sorry, Gen Z.
That's really confusing.
Oh, interesting.
This is some.
Law and order kind of situation.
Yeah, I think this could either be. We can either ask for a TV show or wo wala hint.
I have a feeling it's a TV show.
You think so?
Because
Ivana?
movie का ये font नहीं
नहीं
होता.
होता.
Movie or series?
I don't know.
You pick the hint.
Man, I would definitely either go for the genre or because I think we are smart enough that I think we've already established that it's a TV show. Doesn't
yeah,
look
yeah,
like
yeah.
a movie.
Yeah, it doesn't look like a
Right?
movie.
Wait, it's a movie?
Yeah.
I told you I'm not good at this.
Yeah, you're not. I want my old teammate back. If I'm being honest.
I've
Let us
seen
have it.
this before though. It's very familiar
Genre?
genre.
Hit us with the genre, please.
Sci-fi.
Sci-fi.
I have nothing to discuss.
I have nothing to discuss either. Yeah, we're done. I have no idea. Yeah.
Passing?
Yeah.
The feed. The food.
Can we get another any other hint in life?
Damn, this became serious. I had to take my chashma off.
Yeah, even I've taken
Yeah.
mine off. I was like,
No, I can't
wait, let me start
millennial
thinking about all the
identity.
sci-fi shows that I know. I know all the comic book ones. This
Maybe it's a
can't be
movie then. Maybe
that.
it's not a show.
I'm blank.
The feed.
I can't even
the
think of sci-fi
food,
movies.
Like fast.
The Back to the Future. The I don't know what this is.
Okay, I'm passing it.
Passing it?
Yeah.
Passing
Cut
it,
out.
yeah.
Pick themselves and then
Are you serious?
say
Oh, I know this.
Did
We
Gen,
just
did Gen Z get
White
Matrix?
Lotus.
That looks like a V.
Yeah, but
The
like,
Valley.
I've seen. I don't know if Vikings is not the Vikings.
Is it the White Lotus? Or is it White Lotus?
It's White Lotus.
Oh.
Uh,
It is the White Lotus. It is. I got it. Crazy.
But can I be
Yeah.
honest? This is a much more fun challenge than the songs.
Yeah,
just by
yeah,
the way.
yeah, for sure.
Okay.
For sure.
Okay.
that's a guy.
From where?
His eye. That's his eye. Okay.
I don't see it.
That's his. Sophie, that's his face.
Okay.
That's his eye in the corner with the eyebrow on top.
Okay.
This is. I'm just talking to my teammate. I'm not discussing with you guys. Is this? Is either The Last of Us, or I think is the new Batman.
I don't think it's the new Batman, and it's probably Last of Us.
Oh, we get 3 guesses.
Yeah.
But
So-
is it the before Last of Us?
Yeah. Yeah. The Last
is
of
it
Us.
The Last of Us, guys?
It is.
No,
it is.
I'm doing my first guess. I have
It
3
is The
guesses.
Last of Us.
Yeah.
The Last of Us.
Ah, तो
Yeah,
वही तो
yeah.
कह रहा हूँ.
It is.
I guess post-apocalyptic world.
The Last of Us.
Ding, ding, ding. Well done.
And I haven't even watched it.
I haven't even watched. Like I've seen a little bit.
All right.
The.
A print.
No, it's not. It's something like action-y, obviously. See? It's one of those like. What's her name?
I know what you're thinking of.
So just help.
Not very good. Yeah,
What's
tell me.
you know the chick? She's blonde hair, na? Yeah. What's her name?
Margot Robbie.
No.
Oh, The Hunger Games. Ding 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 ding.
Next.
Gen Z kids.
Sydney Sweeney.
Where they're like locked in like an island and they're put into like a not an island, in like a dome. The thing where they're
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
The Hunger Games. No, wait, wait, wait.
yeah.
Yeah.
The Office.
Ding, 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 ding.
I am carrying you.
No, you're not.
I am fully carrying you.
No,
right
you're
now.
not.
Bacche. The Office.
The Office.
Ding ding ding.
Killing it, dude.
Yeah, but
Killing
Matrix
it.
win. Look, it was
Killing
their
it.
fault in the
Yeah,
Matrix.
yeah.
Otherwise, it would have been 10
Yeah.
out of 10.
Threw us off. I know. Really, really shame on me.
All right. Next.
This is
It's
a
a
Disney
Disney movie.
movie.
Jinx.
The Lion King.
Ding, ding, ding. Sophie.
Sophie.
Dang.
Too good. Too good.
I'm very surprised, by the way.
Disney. The
The Lion King. Ding 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 ding.
I think it's a movie, so I don't want to waste the hint.
Yeah. You want to do genre?
Yeah.
What was the other option? Genre? Movie?
Release date.
Yeah, no, not that.
Movie,
so we'll
genre.
do genre.
Yeah.
Romantic. Drama.
Really?
Drama.
This is like one of those.
I see some pyramids at the back. I can't tell.
Yeah, like not Minority Report. That John Grisham book.
Not about the Minority Report, but you couldn't get the Matrix. Shame on you.
It was your fault, producer.
My
It was the
brain-
no. It was the
My
way you guys
brain
zoomed
died.
in.
My brain literally, when you said sci-fi, actually, you know what? The problem was the genre. Had she not said the genre, we would have eventually
Yeah, it was
gotten
also
there.
the way they did the zoom
My
in.
brain went into block mode.
It's not The Notebook. I think it's an oldish movie.
Oh, bloody hell.
Romance and pyramids.
It's
at the
definitely
back.
not The Notebook. It's the only romance that gets stuck in our head. Close? No?
You want to try with the Notebook? Because we have 3 guesses. We're gonna go
Yeah.
with the Notebook as the first one.
It is the Notebook. It looks like the Notebook. There's an E there. The Notebook?
The Notebook.
Yeah.
I'm so
Yeah.
good.
Love one. Next.
The Conjuring.
We're gonna beat them so
Yeah,
badly.
they're done.
The Conjuring. I'm discuss कर रहा हूँ with my teammate for a second. I think it's the Conjuring.
yeah.
But do you want to still take a hint and confirm it?
No, Conjuring.
Oh, as a first guess?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so good.
This last one, if we get it, we beat them.
I know, but should we just not get it?
Should we, I mean, let's.
Because it's Sophie.
For
so we can
Sophie.
Equalize it.
For Sophie.
Like, draw.
Justice for Sophie. Okay.
Oh my god, I love the penguin, but do I want to give it as the answer and let Sophie like be happy? Or you know
But
what?
also justice for Sophie.
But Mikhail and
just say
Abdullah
it.
we don't like.
But because of Mikhail, we might have to just say what it is.
Shake on it with the penguin.
I feel like I've seen that. It looks like the Superman. No.
No, it's not.
Should we genre again? I think that's the easier in terms of. I think it's
Yeah,
a movie
okay,
again.
fine.
Genre?
Superhero.
Oh,
See?
this is not my forte.
You're a boy.
So, there's Batwoman. Just saying.
There is no Batwoman.
There's a Batwoman.
Is there Batwoman?
Yeah. The Incredible Hulk.
Last one.
With an M and a T. Or an
Sophie,
N
I
and a
can't
T.
think of anything.
It's the Batman or the Penguin. We have 3 guesses now.
Batman.
Penguin first.
Batman. The Batman.
There
Yeah.
you go. The this one, Robert Pattinson one. Yeah, there we go.
It's done.
Oh, what did we guess in the first one? The original first one?
The first one, did we get right?
Yeah.
Did
No, we didn't. It was the Dark Knight. What did we
Yeah.
say it was? The Batman. It's
Not for you, Sophie. You
No,
know,
I
you know
won.
we love
Mikhail
you.
lost.
Right. Mikhail lost. Sophie won 100%. And Abdullah, in our memory, today's episode, definitely lost. The audience, Gen Z generation, please send us different representatives because these guys are not doing a good job. They suck. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Let us know in the comment section if there's any other, game that you would like us to play with Gen Z versus Millennials. Stay tuned to City FM 89. Keep watching.